Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. This, like most of our vehicles, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. It has the trunk that can be electric. You can also make it manual if you like. It's got the manual ramp back here. You just turn the lever here, pull out with the other hand. It is spring assisted. You can take it to the ground very easy. It's 34 inches wide. 56 inches coming in, 58 inches on the inside. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. It's got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. Super clean interior. Headliner looks great. It's also got one of these easy locks installed, so you can actually put a base pin on the bottom of a chair and lock up right up here and lock in, so you're not having to get down on the ground and mess with tie-downs. It's a $2,000 upgrade new, so that's quite an upgrade in these. It's got the jump seats in it. So those aren't naturally in these. They make a lot more room between the chairs there. That's also about a $2,000 upgrade. So this van, just upgrades alone, has about $4,000 upgrades in it. Extremely clean interior. The dash is in excellent condition. It's got the steering wheel control, so you can keep the radio from, keep your eyes on the road. Radio's got the auxiliary port, dual climate control, rear air. Got a bunch of plug-ins, bunch of cup holders. It's got the leather armrest, so cup holders galore in this thing. And it's got the rear air controls back there as well. So when you've got everybody secured and ready to go, come back out. You can do this with one hand. Make sure it's locked in. You can shut the button there. If you decide you want to use this van, maybe you're going to use this van for a taxi, for example. You can make all these doors manual, so you don't have to wait on the motors and not going to tear up those motors all day. Hit the off switch right there. So now they just become manual sliding doors. Quick walk around to the van. Tinted windows, alloy wheels, new tires on it. And although this van's 6 years old, you would not know it by looking at it. It looks like it's been garaged. I can't find a dent or scratch in this thing. I mean, it is excellent condition. It's got the roof rack above in case you want to do any traveling and need a little extra storage. Overall, super sharp, very nice looking van. Super clean interior. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. You can tell whoever had this van before was very meticulous. They took care of this van very nicely. There's a picture of the VIN. We always show you the VIN number. Lots of people out there doing some crazy things. So, power driver seat. I don't see any stains. I don't see any kind of damage on the seats. It's got the 2 keys. You can operate all the doors and keyless entry from here. When I go to turn the van on, and you can see the current miles, 9,856 miles. Fires up first time every time. AC works great, and I'm so glad it does because it's hot today and humid. No dummy lights on, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. No signs of any damage. We check along the fender rails, we check along the frame rails, the radiator support. No signs of any damage, no signs of any water damage. These are all things you can't see if someone just sends you pictures. That's why we make these videos. That's why we do this, to show the detail underneath the van. You'll notice many of our competitors, they don't show pictures underneath their vans. That's just the air conditioner back there dripping. The reason they don't show the underneath is because they buy vans from the East Coast, from up north, that are all rusted out. They don't want you seeing what's underneath the van. So no matter who you buy from, if you're going to buy sight unseen off the internet, make sure they get out here and make a video for you. If someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, and they won't get off their behinds and go make a video. Yeah, these videos take a while. They take me about an hour. We put a lot of time into prepping our vehicles, but that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it's a good price. They assume because it looked nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them that they're getting a good deal. That 80% of the time, that's not the truth. Are you going to risk your $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on an 80% chance you're not getting exactly what you paid for? I know I wouldn't. So just buyer beware. People get taken advantage of on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Let's get the van on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. We always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway so you can see whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive the van home. You know we've made sure this van is roadworthy. You can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift. Good acceleration, got up to about 65 miles an hour. Got the cruise control set, the steering wheel is nice and straight. Drives down the road very nicely. I do know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You're also welcome to look up our reviews on Google and all the great things people had to say about us. And there's a reason we sell so many vans. It's not that I'm a great salesman. I'm not trying to sell these vans. These vans sell themselves. Our reputation, our videos, our price, that's what sells these vans. So please compare us to the competition. We don't have any hidden administrative fees or document fees. A lot of our competition have nice prices on the internet, and they try to hide $500, $1,000, $1,200 in what they call document fees and tag fees. Folks, that's baloney. They're just adding money onto the price. And if they're going to hide money from you, what else are they hiding from you? That's something you really need to ask yourself. When you compare that we don't have any hidden fees and the fact that we do free shipping, no one, and I mean nobody, can compete with the prices and the deals and the quality with affordable mobility solutions. I'm going to give the van a hard brake. No one's behind me, I checked. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So, of course, this van's a few years old, but very low miles. And I feel if it's taken care of, it'll make a great van for you, your family, or your business for many years to come. And as I go back to comparing us to the competition, I'm out here making videos. It's almost 100 degrees. I'm laying on the ground. Folks, I'm not doing this because I like to lay on the ground when it's 100 degrees out and that pavement's probably about 150 degrees. I'm doing this because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. In a world of, separation right now with the COVID-19, we're trying to stay away from each other and keep social distancing. Buying sight unseen, it's a big thing with the internet. And that's why I get out and make these videos. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. When this shows up to your house, I want you to say, Jeremiah, that's exactly what I was expecting. And that's why I make these videos. And as the owner of the company, again, I'm out laying on the ground, trying to make sure you get exactly what you pay for. But I'm not a used car salesman, I'm the owner. That's the difference between dealing with a used car salesman and dealing with the owner. Those used car salesmen, they're probably not even going to be working at that location. They'll probably have another job. By the way, this is blinking through the camera. It's not doing that in real life. They'll probably have another job, somewhere else the next month or two. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you get the truth. They care about one thing, and that's the commission check. So do you want to do business with a used car salesman, or do you want to do business with the owner of the company? You tell me. So thank you for checking out our video. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you ever have any questions or want to make an appointment to see a vehicle, and please always make an appointment, give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Try and get the owner's cell phone number from one of those big companies. Good luck. We do have financing available. We do sell very affordable warranties. And folks, I do recommend an extended warranty with any used vehicle. We are selling these at wholesale prices. We're selling these the best deals in the country. I want to be honest with people. We have 3 mechanics that look these over. I take them out and make these videos for a reason. We strongly suggest a used warranty with any vehicle. So, as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.